2025 is just around the corner, and if you're still stuck in a 9 to 5, it's time to ask yourself, am I ready to change my life? The world is moving faster than ever, and trust me, opportunities are everywhere. With the right plan, you can build a profitable business in 2025 that gives you both freedom and financial security. So, are you ready to take the leap? This video is your complete guide on how to start a successful business next year, step by step, using what's working right now and what's set to explode in 2025. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. First things first, what type of business should you start? Look, don't waste your time thinking about traditional brick-and-mortar stores. 2025 is about digital-first businesses, remote-friendly models, and high scalability. Think subscription services, e-commerce, or even online education platforms. The pandemic reshaped the business world, and the new normal is here to stay. The industry's booming right now. Sustainability, personal finance education. Yes, people will pay to learn how to manage their money better. AI-driven services, and health tech. Let's face it, the world is increasingly obsessed with two things: staying healthy and saving money. Businesses that solve these problems will thrive. And here's the funny part: no one's going back to how things were. Once people get a taste of convenience, there's no rewind button. You may be thinking, but I don't have a groundbreaking idea. Don't worry, most successful businesses today are improvements on existing concepts. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. In fact, look for gaps in what's already out there. Can you offer a faster, better, or more affordable solution to a problem? That's how you win in 2025. You've probably heard the term business plan 1,000 times by now. But here's the truth. Your business plan doesn't need to be some 50-page document full of buzzwords. Keep it short, practical, and actionable. It should answer 3 simple questions. What problem are you solving? Who is your target audience? And how will you make money? Your value proposition should be crystal clear. What makes your product or service stand out? It could be your price, quality, customer service, or even your brand's personality. Whatever it is, make sure it's front and center in your plan. Then, get specific with your audience. Are you targeting millennials who are struggling with personal finance? Gen Z looking for sustainable products? Be as specific as possible. Trust me, the more defined your target market is, the easier it is to tailor your products and marketing. Finally, consider your revenue streams. Is it subscription-based? Will you rely on ad revenue, e-commerce, or affiliate marketing? Having multiple revenue streams can make your business more resilient, especially in uncertain times like these. But don't overwhelm yourself at the start. Pick 1 or 2 to focus on and grow from there. Now let's talk money. Starting a business might sound expensive, but it doesn't have to be. You can actually bootstrap your business with very little capital. In 2025, the barriers to entry have never been lower. You can start an online store for less than $100, create digital products for free, or build an entire brand using just social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. But if you need a bit more funding to kick things off, crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter or GoFundMe can be your best friend. A well-pitched idea can attract thousands of small investors, each chipping in a little bit. The key here? You need a story that resonates. People don't just invest in ideas, they invest in people. Make your story relatable and engaging. And for those of you considering loans or investors, be cautious. Taking on debt or giving away equity can be risky, especially when you're just starting out. If possible, focus on building your business organically in the first year or 2 before you start seeking outside funding. Alright, you've got your business idea and plan, but what's next? You need to get your name out there, and in 2025, marketing is a whole different ballgame. It's not just about running ads anymore, it's about creating value, and you do that by offering content that solves your customers' problems. Content marketing is going to be huge. Blogs, videos, podcasts, and even live streaming are going to dominate the business world. Your goal is to become a thought leader in your niche. People don't buy from businesses they've never heard of, so make sure they see you everywhere. And here's a tip: humor works wonders. Customers don't want to feel like they're being sold to, so be casual, be funny, be real. In fact, funny content can be incredibly powerful. Imagine running a finance business that doesn't take itself too seriously. You crack jokes about budgeting, you share memes about saving money, and suddenly, your audience starts to feel connected to you. they're entertained, and they'll buy from you because they feel like they know you. Running a business can be overwhelming, but here's a secret: you don't have to do it alone. Hiring help doesn't have to break the bank, especially with platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. You can find talented freelancers for almost any task, whether it's graphic design, copywriting, or social media management. The key here is to hire for your weaknesses. If marketing isn't your strength, find someone who eats, sleeps, and breathes Instagram ads. If you're terrible at accounting, hire a virtual bookkeeper. Don't try to do it all, it's a recipe for burnout. But here's the thing: build a culture. Even if you're only hiring freelancers or part-time help, even remote workers want to feel part of something bigger. Create an environment that fosters creativity, flexibility, and loyalty. You might not be able to offer big salaries at first, but offering a supportive, exciting work culture goes a long way. In 2025, tech is the great equalizer. The businesses that thrive are the ones that use technology to their advantage. You don't need a degree in computer science to run a tech-enabled business. Most tools are user-friendly and affordable. Here's where you get smart. Automate whatever you can. Email marketing can run on autopilot with platforms like MailChimp. Customer service? Chatbots are getting better every day. And your accounting? Cloud-based software like QuickBooks will save you hours of work. Think of technology as your silent partner, one that never sleeps and never complains. Use it to streamline operations, save time, and scale your business faster than you ever thought possible. And here's the kicker: it's not as complicated as it sounds. Most of these tools come with user guides, and if you get stuck, YouTube is full of tutorials. Dive in, and soon enough, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. Here's a funny thing about customers: they can smell desperation a mile away. If you're only focused on making a quick sale, they'll move on. In 2025, successful businesses are the ones that build genuine, long-term relationships with their customers. How do you do that? Simple. Start by listening. Don't just shove products in their faces, ask them what they want. Respond to their comments, send personalized thank you notes, or even offer free webinars to educate them on your niche. Show them that you care about solving their problems, not just taking their money. And another key? Create community. Customers today want to belong. Make your consumers want to stay connected via a private Facebook group, special newsletters, or a members-only podcast. People return when they feel like they belong. Finally, in 2025, your firm may fail if you don't follow trends. You must constantly adapt, learn, and improve your strategies. Businesses must adapt quickly to survive in a changing world. Keep up with industry news, influencers, and new technology. Knowing what's occurring in your sector will help you make better judgments. Successful entrepreneurs learn throughout their careers. Make learning a habit. Keep interested by reading business books, attending webinars, or trying new things. You establish a lasting business that way. Start a prosperous business in 2025 that way. Taking action and adjusting is more important than having a $1 million idea. The journey will be wild, but with the appropriate mindset and resources, you can develop something life-changing. If you're ready to jumpstart your entrepreneurial journey, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more videos just like this. Let's make 2025 the year your dreams turn into reality. Hit the like button if you found this helpful, and leave a comment below on what business idea excites you the most. See you in the next video.